There may be times when you're unclear on a pronunciation. It could be a character name, or a geographical location or historical figure that you're unfamiliar with. So let me tell you what I did on a recent audiobook narration. I didn't need any clarification on a character name, but actually it was the author's name. And of all names to mess up, that's one you definitely don't want to do. So it's standard procedure to ask for a phonetical spelling of a word that's unclear. But I still wasn't sure exactly how to pronounce it. So here's what I did. I actually asked her just to audio record her voice, like on her phone or something, pronouncing her name, so that I could be very clear on the enunciation and everything. And so that worked really well. I'm very familiar with what it's like to have an unusual last name that no one knows how to pronounce. My married name is actually Greek, and it's pronounced Jumas like a J. So I tell people if they can remember that my first name starts with a J, just to pretend like my last name does. There's no J in it, but the TZ is pronounced like a J, and that usually helps. Your client may already provide you with a pronunciation guide or guidance up front, but if they don't hesitate to reach out and ask for clarification. They will appreciate your professionalism and attention to detail in wanting to make sure you get their project right. I hope you found this information to be useful. I know when I first started out, I devoured every DIY video I could find on how to do voiceover and audio production. So if you find any of this helpful, please subscribe so that you won't miss out on some of my other videos.